was like, what the hell's he doing? I gotta get off this highway right now! Seriously, is he pulling a U-turn up there? Yeah. Like sucks.
So we got fire as a cleansing agent.
Right.
This is the coal from the altar in the...
exit dive.
It would have been an incense altar.
Paris. Go back to France.
The uncleanness.
You catch any of the three ice? This dude did a Michigan. Fake Michigan, full Michigan. It was incredible. Mersey jumped out of his seat. Did you catch that highlight?
I haven't seen much of it. I feel like it's been hidden from me. Whatever is on, like, my TV doesn't want me to see it. Where's the air?
Really?
Okay, so
nice cut off behind me.
They're like on Pittsburgh Sports.
Their letter said, "Thank you for your interest in participating as a vendor at Pride in the Park.
Exit dive behind me.
Consultation with our board and broader community. Jacob and Rachel escaping from Laban."
Yeah. So the Jacob has had to serve Laban for 14 years now.
Right.
Exit dive.
Like, give me Rachel. I'll serve you 7 years. It shows a bunch of footage of border control patrolling around in helicopters at night.
Red light run.
In the middle of the night,
RTS bus.
As they
So, like, do they track these things? They should.
Audio that were being.
Really, dude?
Like in 2 business days, so that because like deadlines are approaching, they need to know if they're doing this thing or not.
Red light run.
And they got this.
Yep, left turn regret. I know, it sneaks up on you after all those, like, 10 left turn signs and paints on the streets. Yeah, it sneaks up on you. I don't know how people fall for it. I got it, I guess. I don't get it. Whatever. Red light run.
Is in my possession. I took it, but now I will return it to you. And his mother said, "May my son be blessed by."
Red light run.
So, odd dynamic they have.
I mean, it's like, does anybody no one in the history of hockey has pulled better than Sergei Fedorov.
Left turn regret. Nissan driver.
In the league, anywhere they go.
Red light run. Toyota turn. I don't believe in red lights. Really? You got a stop sign, I don't. Red light run. Whoa, what the fuck? You just got around that truck. Red light run, red light run. Take it. That's a dive for the right turn lane. Lex sucks. Wait, and we're going straight anyway. Really? Exit regret. We're going to count that as an exit dive. I think that was an exit dive behind me.
Now, I know they went into this thinking that they could get the guy they could stop in the postseason.
Nice cutoff.
A guy they could start in the first 3 games of the postseason. So
Although I think he came from.
They didn't get
It's
that.
still a cutoff.
Yankees,
There's plenty of space behind him.
especially if Heel.
Another exit dive behind me. Not necessarily the exit dive, but it was poor planning. Nice cutoff.
For I am dying of thirst, and I wish I could have something to drink.
Red light rod.
Utter famine to be.
No stop. Nissan driver. No stop. Alright, I'll say it before and I'll... Really, dude? Alright, I'll say it before and I'll say it again. I don't understand why there's a stop sign there. It should just be a yield sign. I don't get why it's necessary. So, but it's there and you have to follow it. So, sue me. Whatever. It's going in the video.
Load up the Pro Tools and press 3. Studio filled with Jeff and the Pop.
Right turn from the left lane-ish. Why is this thing not stopping? That was a nice cutoff.
And just have me and Frank and a bunch of y'all waving at all the people, celebrating the atheist spirit of America, or something like that.
We'll learn to wave beforehand.
Yeah, but
Exit right behind me.
I'm doing Holland wave.
No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane, no, if we happen to be in Connecticut, but we are not in Connecticut. We are in Rochester, New York. This guy's probably going to the airport or something. It exits to the left here. These highways are very shittily designed, but he's okay. There's no restriction here. I'm not mad at him. I am not a rage-filled person like some people think that I am, but I'm really a nice guy if you really get to know me. No, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!